Hello everyone. In this video, we will started with Express.js. So I am creating a Node.js project using Express. For creating a project, I am creating a directory, for example, testing, and actually this is for going inside testing. So I need to create a directory name test, and this is directory has been created, and I am going in test, and you can see my cursor is in test. So for creating a new project, we initialize we use an npm init. So sorry, if I type wrong, it will show me other commands. So let's get started. So it's telling me for name. I simply type enter, and you can see project has been created. So something is wrong. Actually, I has been created in test. Okay, no issue. So for let's get started again. I created the directory using an md test, and I am going inside it, and I initialize my current project, and I simply open the studio code, and you can see my project has been opened. You can this is Visual Studio Code. If you are not familiar about it, search on Google Visual Studio Code. You will find the more information on search engine. So for getting started, this is the package.json file, and it's looking for index.json file. I am changing it to app.js, and this is my code, and I am creating a new file npm. So for getting started with Express, I need to install Express.js. So as you can see, I open terminal. For simply open a terminal, you can simply go to, there is a shortcut command, and okay, so this is a shortcut command for integrated terminal, and I can write command my here just like I writing in PowerShell. So I am installing Express.js in this project. As you can see, I type wrong name, and I'm not sure why it's add a project. I am deleting it. Okay, so you can see it has been added. Okay, forget it. We are deleting it too, and there is Express. Okay, so I'm removing it from here. So as you can see, this is installing npm install Express. It will take a time, so till then let's get started. So I'm importing Express.js module. This is the way I import Express into my app.js, and creating a project app, I simply call Express. So as you can see, this is our app created. So let's get started. So let's check. So you can see this is server has been started, but there is not allowed to on this because I didn't have set any routing in our project. So we are setting like this app.get. This is get method. If you familiar with the REST API, you know get post method. And so for if I want to do this on post, I will simply like do this. So this is our routing URL, and so you can see this is a request and this is response. I'm simply send rest dot send hello world. So let's get started again. So you can see hello world is print on the screen. So this is our first thing that we achieve in Express. In next video we will learn about routing. Thank you.